Hi, my name is Uche, and I'm a student in the Phlebotomy EKG program, and my professor is Dr. Mayuri Pandya. What I like about the program is how comprehensive it is. I appreciate how they teach us the theory as well as the practical part of phlebotomy, and I really appreciate how supportive the instructors are. Dr. Pandya is really sweet, and she's willing to go over the material as many times as you need. AIMS has prepared me for the field with how intensive the practical portions of a class is, as well as the professional development that they teach us is really helpful to, start putting our skills into the actual workforce. My next steps after AIMS, I want to work as a phlebotomist and gain more clinical experience and then pursue med school. Ultimately, my time at AIMS has been very fun. The classes are interesting, the professors are very sweet, and making friends has been really fun and easy.